Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a rain stick. So we've used a cardboard tube and we have used a tin foil, the end of a tin foil one. So your first step, you need to get a piece of duct tape and pop it over the top like this. Now that you sealed the end of your roll, you need to grab a couple of nails and a mallet or a hammer. And what you do is hammer them in like this and twist the roll and twist it as you go along. So now that you've hammered in your nails like this, now the next step is we have to pour some dried up rice, some peas, beans, anything like that. And then you just pour them in like this. So now that you've filled in your rice, now all you need to do is cover a bit of seal it with a bit of duct tape. Like that. And then it's almost ready. Now you just need to add some decoration on. So now that we've sealed the end, now you can decorate it. So I've got some lovely string here and I'm just gonna wrap it in a bow. There, now I've done my bow, you can do whatever you like on yours. And now it also makes a lovely sound of the rain. And now that you've finished your rain stick and I've just done some decoration, now you can fake people whilst it's raining.